Well, I wasn't planning on doing this quite yet, but I did just receive these bezel screws, so what the heck, let's replace this screw that I damaged right here. See if we can do it on camera. So yeah, the bezel on this clicks, and I thought I needed to tighten this screw, and the screwdriver I was using was, well, not very good, and the tip broke on it, and as the tip broke, I scratched that screw head. So let's see if we can do this on a camera here. I don't know, it's a very small screw. Hopefully this guy will work. The Wera. Yeah, so hey, German screwdriver, German screws, German watch. Hopefully the stars will align and this will go smoothly here. So let's see if I can do this with my visors here and with the camera running. Hopefully you can see this. I might have to pull it closer to me. Maybe not for taking out, but for putting it in. Yeah, I don't know. You know what? I'm going to have to do this off camera. I'm afraid I'm going to scratch it, so let me pause it and I'll be right back. Alright, got the screw out. I guess I'll show it to you here. The thing is super tiny. Yeah, so I scuffed that one up pretty badly. You want to see where it came from? Right there. The bezel still has the same amount of slop. So anyway, we'll put the new screw in. Really not looking forward to dealing with this tiny little... I mean, that thing is tiny. So anyway, wish me luck. Be right back. Alright, so that was not too bad actually. Took the tweezers like this. This is the damaged screw head again. The damaged screw, I should say. The screw with the damaged head, whatever. So anyway, I held it in the tweezers like this. And also I had the bright idea, I can orientate the bezel so that the screw is straight up on the case. So just watch what's held in place. Not really held in place, but it's balanced here. Of course, it's not going to do it now. Alright, it was balanced like that. Just put the tweezers down here and then was able to screw it in. So there we go. That was not too bad. So if you're an idiot like me and you think you can do your own watchmaking and try to do whatever and strip the screw head or scratch it, you can replace it yourself. So alright, hopefully this was somewhat entertaining and educational. As always, thank you for taking the time and thank you for watching. You know what, here's a look at the watch again. I do like this watch. Overall, I just haven't given it enough wrist time. Yeah, I need to make some decisions here with the collection soon. But no, very nice watch. I do appreciate the German engineering here. And let's put it on wrist real quick. Maybe I'll wear this tomorrow. Alright, as always, thank you for taking the time and thank you for watching.